Welcome to SellerCenter channel.
Today, I am going to show you how to start a dropshipping business in 2026 with no money at all. Yes, even if you are starting from zero. Dropshipping is one of the lowest risk online business models because you do not need to buy inventory upfront. You do not need a warehouse. You only pay for products after you make a sale. This means no big startup costs. This is perfect when you have no money to invest. But here is the truth. The hardest part is not building the store. It is finding the right products that actually sell. That is where a product research tool is critical. That is why I recommend the SellerCenter product research tool. It is a powerful tool that helps you find trending high-potential products and analyze competitors' sales performance with real data. This tool shows you which products are currently selling well on Shopify and other platforms. This helps you avoid wasting time guessing or selling products that will not make money. Step 1. Understand the dropshipping model. Before we dive deeper, let us break down why dropshipping works with no money. You never buy stock up front. You only pay suppliers after you get paid. You can test products before investing. This makes dropshipping a low-risk business model, especially for beginners. Step 2. Research winning products. This step is crucial. You cannot sell products that nobody wants. Here is what I recommend you do. Use the SellerCenter product research tool. SellerCenter lets you discover trending products that real Shopify stores are selling. You can see estimated sales, performance, and competitor data. You can analyze demand before listing anything on your store. You can filter products by sales, niche, trend, strength, and demand. This allows you to avoid guessing and instead choose winners based on real market intelligence. This is the smartest way to start your store with zero upfront inventory cost because you are relying on data instead of luck. Step 3. Choose your platform and set up your store. Once you have found a product with real potential using SellerCenter, use Shopify WooCommerce or platforms like eBay or TikTok shops. Build a clean, simple product page. Add clear product images, compelling titles, and honest descriptions. Remember, you do not need a fancy store at first. Focus on clarity and conversion. Step 4. Market your store for free. You can get your first customers without spending money by using free marketing sources. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, SEO content marketing. Create value-driven content that leads viewers to your store. Experimental videos, unboxing, product, demos, story-style content, all without ads. Step 5. Scale without paid ads in early stage. As you start to make sales, reinvest profits into better marketing and more product testing. In the beginning, focus solely on organic traffic and engagement. That is your zero-cost advantage. If you are serious about starting your dropshipping journey in 2026, especially with no upfront money, the SellerCenter product research tool is the only tool you need to start smart and data-driven. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more dropshipping and e-commerce strategies.